How to log out of Wire Messenger on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and trying to log out of your account, first of all, open up the Wire Messenger app on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Wire, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Inside settings, click on Account at the top. Inside Account, scroll all the way down and you'll see a logout option. Tap on it in order to log out, and you'll need to type in your password for your Wire account in order to log out. Your message history will also be erased on this device once you proceed to log out. So go ahead and write down your password for your account. And after you are done typing in the correct password, click OK. And there you have signed out of your Wire Messenger. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out more beginner-friendly tutorials for helpful tips and easy step-by-step guides. I will be back again with more. Thank you for watching.